Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about packages in PLR SQL, where the packages are used to store the subprograms like cursors, procedures, and functions into a single unit. So basically, the creation of packages consists of two parts, that is specification, that is also known as declaration, and second one is the body. After the creation of package with body, you can access the individual subprograms from that package into the into the PLR SQL block. So basically this is the packages in the PLR SQL block. So now let us see the syntax for the declaration and the body block and how we can access the package, and also let's go through an example. So as I said before, the packages are used to store programs like cursors, packages, and procedures and functions into a single. The creation of packages consists of two parts, that is specification or declaration or body. After completion of package with body, you can access the individual subprograms from the package into the PLR SQL block. So now let us go through the syntax. So now let us go through the syntax of the declaration of a package. So the declaration of a package syntax is as follows. That is, create or replace package name, is or as, begin, function name, function name of list of arguments, and return data type. Return data, the data type can be any one, that is the user's choice. And this consists of the here will and it consists of a subprograms like functions and procedures. So procedure name, and the list of arguments, and the statements that needs to be executed. So that needs to be executed, and we will end the package name. So while coming to the declaration of the body part, so basically the syntax of the body part is create or replace package body package name, is or as, function name of list of arguments, then return data type. So basically this is the syntax of basic functions, that is function name of list of arguments, is or as, local variable declare, if any variables are need to be declared, so this can there can be declared at this part. And in the begin block, if the executable statements will be there in the begin block, and if there are any exceptions, then these exceptions are handled in the exception block. And then we will end the function, and we'll end the function. So next, while coming to the procedure, this is the syntax for the separate this is the syntax for the procedure, that is procedure with procedure name and the list of arguments, is or as. So if you want to declare any local variables, we'll declare, and then begin, and then executable statements. So executable statements are used in the begin block. If there are any exceptions occurred, then we should these should be handled in the exception block. So then we will end the procedure name, and then we will end the package name. So now we have seen the syntax of declaration and body block. So package can be accessed using package name dot object name. So basically in the so for example, if we want to access the procedure name, so we will consider it as an object name. So package access would be package name plus procedure name, or package name plus function name. So now we'll go through an example. That is, here we created a package with the package name as package employee. So as seen before, the syntax, so we'll create two subprograms, that is procedure and function. The procedure name is the update record, and the function name is the delete record. So basically, as there is already employee table in the database, we'll collect the EID from the database, and the variable we are using here is id, and the variable for the function is ename. So we will return the boolean, we'll return the data type that we are considered the data type as a boolean. So we are here, we'll end the package, we'll blend the package name. So the, well, for if we compile this, the output would be package employee is compiled, package employee compiled. So while coming, this is the this is the part of declaration block. So while coming to the body block, first we have to set the server output on. First we have to set the server output on, that is, we have to create or replace package body package name is, and then before we have created before we have declared, so before we have already declared the package and function name. So we have to implement these packages and function name. So as we can see here, so as we can see here So as we can see here, procedure update record, ID, employee ID, modular type, percentile type is begin. So basically here the executable statement are update employee set salary is equals to 5,000, where EID is equals to ID. So the salary will be, if the SQL statement, that is DML command, is found, then the output would be recorded. Record is updated, or else the output would be record is not found. So up to here the procedure is completed. So we will end the procedure by using end procedure name, that is end. We will end the first, we'll end the end if, then again we'll end the end update record. So while coming to the next one, that is function, while coming to the function, that is delete record, that is ename. So here we'll return the data type, that is as boolean is begin. So here the executable statements are, we are deleting a data from the student, where the ename is equals to ename, that is ename is from the employee table, and enm is the variable we created. So we'll return the SQL percentile found and delete, and then we will end the function, and we'll end the package. So the output would be, after compilation, the output would be package employees compiled. So we have discussed up to here about accessing and declaration. Sorry, sorry. We have declaration and body part. So now we'll go to the accessing part. That is, first we will declare the first we will set the server output on, and then declare the variables, that is ID, salary, and employee. So we will take the ID, employee name from the input at the time of runtime. So the package name, so we'll call the package name, that is we are accessing the procedure in a package name using package name dot update record of ID. So for accessing the function name, we use if package employee dot delete record enum, then the output will be record deleted, or else the output will be record not found. So after completion of this, we will end the procedure. We will end. So the output would be, so the output would be as shown. That is, first of all, we will receive the input from the user, that is one, and then and the name, that is a, and we will at the end the record is updated and record is deleted is printed. That's so at the end as the data is found, as the DML commands are found, so the data is recorded, the record is updated, and record and deleted will be as our output. Thank you, guys.